In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit Teamspace creation to members only in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better grasp on how to manage and configure your workspace settings, ensuring that Teamspace creation is streamlined and restricted to the individuals you choose, which can be crucial for maintaining organization and control within your workspace. Let's begin by opening up Notion. Once you're in the app, take a look at the left sidebar. There, you'll notice a variety of different options that help you navigate through your workspace. What you want to do first is click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can adjust a wide range of preferences for your overall Notion workspace. Being in the right settings area is essential, as it allows you to access specific configuration options. Once you've reached the settings menu, your next step is to locate the Teamspaces tab. This section is pivotal because it focuses specifically on managing various Teamspaces within your workspace, which is exactly what we want to accomplish today. Click on Teamspaces, and you'll be directed to a new menu where you can see several settings related to Teamspaces. Now navigate your way down until you find the Manage Teamspace Creation section. This is where the magic happens. It's important, as managing who can create new Teamspaces can help in maintaining order and avoiding unnecessary clutter within your workspace. Within this section, you'll be presented with an option that reads, Limit Teamspace creation to only workspace owners. This is a vital setting. We'll discuss your options here. If you turn this setting on, you'll restrict the ability to create new Teamspaces solely to those members who are designated as workspace owners. This approach can be highly beneficial in scenarios where you want to keep the initiation of new projects centralized, empowering only a select group of people to make those decisions. It can reduce errors, maintain focus, and ensure that only necessary Teamspaces are created, aligned with your organization's strategic goals. Conversely, if you choose to turn this setting off, any workspace member will have the freedom to create new Teamspaces. This might be a preferable scenario in more collaborative environments where informal Teamspace creation by all members can foster creativity and innovation. Of course, this choice depends on your specific needs and how you intend to manage your team's projects, and that's all there is to it. By configuring these settings, you've effectively customized your Notion workspace to better fit your organizational structure and project management strategy. This small but significant tweak allows for greater control over your workspace, promoting efficiency and the smart organization of your team's efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, keep enhancing your productivity with Notion.